बीएमएस एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है।
चैप्टर नंबर 55 जीडी टॉपिक टेलीविजन इज अ बोन और कर्स। दोस्तों, ये टॉपिक अपने आप में बेसिक टॉपिक है जिसको हम बहुत आसानी से अपने मित्रों के साथ डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। और मजे की बात ये है, मैं आपको जीडी का एक फार्मूला और बताता हूं। आप शुरू में छोटे छोटे वाक्य बनाकर शुरू कीजिए और बाद में धीरे धीरे उन सेंटेंसेस को बढ़ाते जाइए। Points in favor. Everyone wants to be relaxed after hectic schedule of long day. Television is the cheapest source of recreation and entertainment. It is equally important for giants, ladies, old age people and children too. The entertainment and knowledge is provided to the person of every age group with the help of television. Number 2, television is the vitally important to society as it has brought revolution in the field of politics. Nowadays, so many news channels are there. Any of the incident occurs or takes place related to politics is instantly shown on television while sitting in a room only. We can connect with our city, district, state, country and internationally also. Point number 3. Small children are interested in watching cartoons as many cartoon channels are there. Children get entertainment by watching cartoons. Ladies are interested to watch family dramas episodes, youngers are interested to watch movies, etc. All things are available at one place only, that is television. Point number 4. Television is good source of knowledge. So many channels are there like History Channel, National Geographic and Discovery Channel. By watching these channels we can add and upgrade our knowledge. Point number 5. Reality shows are related to our life and these reality shows are broadcasted on television. By watching these reality shows, the level of our talent also increases. Moreover, we can participate in these reality shows too. Points against. Number 1. Watching television continuously can harm the eyesight of viewer. Even not watching continuously for a long time can also affect eyesight. Nowadays, students watch television for a long time sitting very close to the screen. That is why the students of KG, first and also using glasses. Point number 2. Television is responsible for the destruction of society. By watching the television, housewives are learning new tricks to fight with their sister-in-laws and mother-in-laws. Families are breaking rapidly. Joint families are converting into nuclear families. Television is responsible for it. Point number 3. Watching TV is the wastage of time. People watch movies many times. Advertisements and breaks also waste our valuable time. Point number 4. Watching television is wasting hard-earned money with our own hand. Various movies, serials, news networks can't be got without spending money because we need digital or connection under digitalization for watching the material of our interest. Moreover, we have to pay for electricity bill too. So in this matter, it is an expensive affair. Point number 5. The performance of many students and working person reduce due to watching television. They waste there a lot of time. Even the time which can be consumed or utilized in study by students and in work by businessmen or servicemen is wasted while watching television. Conclusion. Concluding about advantages and disadvantages of television, we find that television is such an instrument which is equally useful for all types of people and generations. Excess of everything is cause of destruction. So every viewer must remember about TV should be watched in limit only. If it is watched excessive, will cause a lot of problems and losses. Next topic, internet is a boon or curse. Points in favor. Number 1. If anyone asks about the most stunning and encouraged invention of science, I'm likely to say, ready to say, and I will shout that internet, internet and internet. As far as our routine life is concerned, internet has brought a revolution in the life of mankind. Nobody can ever imagine his or her life without internet. Point number 2. Internet is God of 21st century. Tell me one work which cannot be completed or done with the help of internet. Google.com is the only site which is used frequently. And what about other sites? We want to get any information, use internet. Want to download any song, movies, lesson, chapter, location, etc. use internet. In this manner, internet has become an indispensable part of our life. Point number 3. Social media keeps everyone connect with each other while sitting one place. We can be in touch with others. The separated person long ago can be found on social media. This world has become a small jungle of residents on social media. Facebook, Twitter, Hike, Messenger, WhatsApp and Instagram, etc. So many applications are there which are used from the point of view of social media. Point number 4. Online shopping is possible with the internet only. One disabled person who could go anywhere for shopping need not go anywhere because now shopping can be done while sitting at home. So many shopping and e-commerce websites are also there. These through which online shopping can be done. Even these websites offer some special discount also. Point number 5. Nowadays internet has become a good source of advertisement also. The advertisement through internet is less expensive. Anyone can easily create some pages on Facebook, some websites can be composed or some blogs can also be written. In this manner we must have an internet connection only and approximately free advertisement can be done. Points against. Number 1. Internet is quite wastage of time. Majority of people are always busy to search and download songs, movies and their favorites. They are living in fool's paradise by doing it. Time which can't be replaced with anything. People are wasting. Point number 2. The crime rate is increasing due to the wide use of internet. Criminals get the secret information of company and person. Sometimes they trace the location and information about historical places, and criminals as well as terrorists commit or conduct the crime. India has faced a lot due to internet. Number 3. Social harmony. Race differentiation of caste, creed and religion also increased due to internet only. People use social media and they express their views on social media bluntly while expressing they don't care about law. Getting out of law is a serious problem for the harmony of India. It's a serious problem for India, for the harmony of India. Sometimes so many rumors are also viral on internet. By direct of it, communal rights may take place. Point number 4. Excessive use of internet make a person lead a life in virtual field only. Majority of human beings are leading a life in virtual field only. They are not concerned with reality. Thinking of those people is limited to that box only, which is source of virtual imagination only. Such people don't get success in their life and the root cause of their failure is only and only internet. Point number 5. All over the world, especially in India, internet is a costly affair. We have to spend a lot of money for taking internet connection. Tariff of internet vary on the basis of speed and plan. One medium class or below medium class can't afford the charges of high speed internet or broadband connection. Whereas in developed countries, people are enjoying with 7G internet. In India, the approach to 3G is not yet possible for all. On account of high tariff, maximum persons are satisfied with 2G only. Conclusion. There is no doubt that internet has changed the direction of mankind and destiny of human being, but while using, we have to remember some security features as well. Otherwise, the virtual life of internet is likely to prove a bane for us. The utilization of internet must be done only for positive cause.